Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. So today, we're gonna get right into this. Here is the nail design that I want to recreate today. I've been wanting to do these striped French tips for so long now. I think all the way back since September of last year. And today we're finally gonna do them. They're just these like straight French tips with two different colors or multiple colors, and it's just a striped French tip. I just think they're so cool. You add a little bit of nail decorations, nail charms, and they're just so cute. And I think I want to do these with a duck nail shape just to switch it up a little bit. So here are my natural nails. Well, they're not really too natural anymore because I did put on a peel off base coat. And now I'm just going to size out the nail tips. I don't know how long I want these to be. So how long are we thinking of doing these? We could do like a cute middle maybe? Let's get into this Polygel application. I'm going to use the color Satin from Mochi Gel, which is one of the new shades that I just swatched recently. So I have not tried this color for a nail set yet. I'm excited to see. Oh wow, hold on. Wow, just when I thought that there couldn't be a better nude shade, there is. Wow. I love all of the shades from Mochi Gel. There's so many. I love the variety. I truly do. It makes me so happy. Like, it makes me so happy to have many different shades to choose from and not just have one that is like the only one that looks right. This one is so good. This one's a bit more on the sheer type of side, which I like. Oh, wow. What a good base color. What a good base color. Yes. Yay, I'm happy. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna give this a quick cure just so it can stay in place. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing for the rest of the nails. Okay, this color, like I'm always thinking like, no, this is gonna be the new base color. This is gonna be the new base color. I honestly think this might be the new base color for me. Wow. Oh, wow. I really love this one. Cause this one, it feels like I could definitely wear it on its own if I wanted to. It goes so well with my skin tone. I really love this one. Yay. Yay. Polygel is all on. Now we're gonna get reshaping these nails. This color is so good. This actually might be my new color. Oh, I just love it. I really just love it. Perfect color for me. So I'm just using a dust collector and a hand file, and we're gonna get reshaping these. So for this nail art, I have some black gel polish, and instead of that blue color in the inspiration picture, I think I'm going to use this blue color. I don't think I've ever used a blue color like this for a nail set. I feel like it'd be cool. Is this like periwinkle? It's like kind of like periwinkle. Reminds me of it a little bit. Or maybe I want to do light blue. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do now. I kind of like the light blue actually. I feel like that just looks better next to the black. So we're gonna make these French tips out of the light blue color because it'll be easier to make a black stripe over this color than to make this light blue color over black, you know? So these are supposed to be straight French tips. They're supposed to be just a straight line. Let's hope. Is that the right height we want? It is kind of like a really low French tip. Or do you even call these French tips? Yeah, they're just striped French tips, but they're straight across. Let's just do the first nail so I know what I'm doing here. I might have to do 2 layers of this color. I don't want to. It's just so much work to do 2 layers. Alright, the stripes are done. They're not too hard to do. They do take a little bit of time. They're a bit tedious, so yeah, they are a bit time consuming, but they look so cute. Wow, straight French tips. I've never done before. These are cool. Now we're gonna get adding on the extra nail decorations. I have a light blue star that I'm gonna add, and then a black star on the pointer finger. And then I'm just gonna add some silver pearls around on the rest of the nails. I don't know if I want to do them randomly or where I really want to put them. Alright, and that's all the decoration I'm gonna add. Just something simple. Ooh, these are so cute. Okay, before I get too excited, let's finish these off with some top coat. Wow! Okay, I'm gonna finish these off with some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. Yay! Wow, I love these. They make me feel how they look. I don't know how to explain that, but I'm just like, I feel so cool. I feel so cool with them. This is definitely deserving of 2 hands being done, but I don't got time for that right now. But that would be really nice to have a full set of these and just be able to enjoy them. I love the colorway. The black with the light blue and the silver and the stars. This was such a good nail design. I love this design, and it wasn't too hard to do. I think these probably took me 2 hours, maybe a little bit more than 2 hours, which is really good for me. The stripes weren't too bad. A little bit time consuming, but overall not stressful. But yeah, these are the nails. I really love how they came out. I've been enjoying doing these more simple nail designs in my last few videos. I just think it's just kind of what I want to do right now. We don't have to do something big and extravagant every single time. It feels like I've been able to catch up on nail designs, like random little nail designs that I just never give a chance to do because they are more simple. Anyways, I really love the designs we've been doing, and I really love this one. I want to do more stripe designs because I love this nail art. I think it's really cool. Along with polka dots, like the polka dots and the stripes. Just some nail art that I've really been liking. So for this nail set, we used the color Satin from Mochi Gel, and I love this. This is my new color. This is my new base color. I think this color goes with my skin tone perfectly. Wow, this one is it for me. I found my shade. It's literally just the perfect color for me. I'm just really happy. Mochi Gel, yes, you did it again. You did it again. If you guys are interested in this shade of Mochi Gel, make sure you use the code VIC10 on the Mochi Mochi Gel website for 10% off your order. I highly recommend this color if you are looking for a good base nude shade. It's literally so perfect, at least for me and my skin tone. Wow, I love it. I really love it. And then we also use the Mochi Gel shiny top coat, which I literally can't recommend this enough. This top coat genuinely is so shiny. It makes my nail sets look 10 times better and just adds that super shiny gloss finish. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail design. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!